How to read messages on WhatsApp without others knowing. Do you want to read messages on WhatsApp without others knowing that you've read them? Now it's possible. With a little trick that I'll show you in the video today, you'll be able to read messages and no one will know about it. Let's get to it. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Click on Privacy. There you will find the option we're looking for, which is Read Receipts. When this option is enabled, other people see a notification in the form of 2 blue check marks that you've read the message. When this option is disabled, that information won't be available to them. To do this, simply click on the button next to it to turn it off. This way, you can be sure that your friends and family won't know when you've read their messages. Like the video if you found it helpful and let us know if you use this feature. For more useful and quick tutorials, subscribe to our channel.